everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Renu and you are watching Speak and Thrive. Today we are diving into a game changer concept that took my English to the next level. I could speak English without translating fluently and confidently. Most of the English learners translate everything in their head from their native language, and that creates delays, confusion, and hesitation. Once I started training my brain to think in English directly, everything began to shift. My fluency, my confidence, even my pronunciation. In this video, I'll be sharing incredibly effective and powerful strategies that help me to speak English fluently without translating and more naturally. So I would request you just stick around because this video can be a turning point in your English learning journey. And if you find this video very helpful and valuable, please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and share your opinion in the comment section. Now let's get started. Initially, when I started learning English, this is the biggest issue I was facing, that I was translating everything into English from my mother tongue to English, and it was really difficult for me to speak English without taking a long pause or without fumbling. I was fumbling a lot while explaining myself, my ideas. So that's what I really want you to overcome, and I really want you to speak English. Now, what I did. So basically, this concept is all about 3 important practices that you are supposed to do every day. And this is you can just do for 30 minutes every day. For 10 each practice. Okay, you can give 10 minutes to each practice. 3 practices are there in this concept. The first practice is you need to describe images. Just download some pictures, or if you are noticing some pictures on social media, you can explain your ideas, what you are observing from the image. If there are some people, what is the action they are doing, how it is looking like, what is the information or message that particular image is giving to us, to the society. Everything, whatever comes in your mind, you can explain it. Try to notice each and everything from the image and speak it out. Speak as much as you can. Minimum 10 minutes in a day. Now you need to write it down. Now why I'm asking you to write? In the next step, you are supposed to write. There is a reason behind it. When you are writing something, it will help your subconscious brain to get trained in the language you are learning. You are observing the language, you are listening English language very carefully, and you are getting different words, sentences, vocabularies and pronunciations, everything you're getting. Now you can write down again for 10 minutes. Similarly, you need to speak it out. Now you would be so confident and it would be so easy for you if you speak that out after writing, because you would have gathered so many thoughts. You have already written, you have already explained that in the form of writing. So it would be far easier for you to speak it out. You can practice self-talk. You can just explain the topic you have written. This is the one thing that you can do. You can speak to yourself. You can do self-talk on different topics. It sounds funny and crazy, but actually it is really working. It is incredibly working. I applied it and I got amazing results. That's why I'm suggesting you. And the other thing that you can do is group discussion. Group discussion is really good. If you have group circle, if you have friend circle who can speak English, then you must participate in group activities, in group discussion in English language. It will help you to just get fluent every day, and you will stop fumbling, you will stop hesitating, you will stop taking long pauses. It will help you so much if you are being engaged in group discussion in English language. So 2 things you can do. First is self talk, and another you can do group discussion for practicing your speaking skills. So stop being shy and doubting yourself, and it's time to go beyond your hesitations, fears into fluency and confidence. I'm here to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's see you soon.